hunt, Isaiah Lang is talking up clashes at Sting 2011. Why? Because Sting flopped in 2010. Question is, are names like Merciless and Kiprich, Twin of Twins and Tony Matterhorn big enough to bring back the massive to Sting?
Gaza, Portmore, Empire, who no get bombed.
So what deal is Sting?
Alliance.
What was
Yeah, the man.
I'm not sure. Blaze up.
Boxing Day 2010, not a day that brings back good memories for Isaiah Lang. No Cartel, no Movado, Beanie stayed away and Bounty left without performing. Small wonder the low turnout.
You know, I'm not giving interview about show.
No, it wasn't a big thing, and I'm going to be honest in that. We have like about 10,000 people. This year, you're going to be seeing like 30,000 people over there, and I'm not going to stop saying that figure.
And the one reason why most of those people are going to be at Sting is?
Because of the clashes.
Lang, all you come fly with the people them time, man. Tonight a Ninja Man Memorial.
Even with Cartel out of the running this year, Supreme is hoping clashes can still be counted on to whet Sting appetites.
Every meeting that we keep with any sponsors or anything, people always say, oh, what's the use of Sting without a clash? So now we're going to go rumors of war. And I tell people, anyway, hear rumor, war is planning. Anyway, hear rumors of war in the country, war is always planning somewhere there. So there's going to be a war. So now we have confirmed clashes as far as I'm concerned with Kiprich and Merciless, which is sure the people come there and see a clash. Plus you have Matterhorn and Kip and Twins of Twins that I'm sure is going to face off over there. And the thing here on the radio, it will be different on stage, I'm sure.
Heavy D and Lang are talking up the friction factor, but will fans buy it without any major headliners among the named contenders?
It's very difficult finding good headlines. If you notice last year, we just have 2 people missing from the show. And everybody else are there. And then we still never have anybody. So Beanie and Bounty used to carry it for like a long time. 17 years they've been going at it. And the one time we did the clash with Movado and Cartel, it overrun everything. They took it from Beanie and Bounty. And now Cartel is not here. It's just Movado. So we're back at it again. We need to create something.
Everything we said, don't run.
Supreme says Movado is booked.
Never.
And it's talking to Shabba Ranks. But that's just sweetening for a dancehall crowd primed for a showdown.
We're starting at 145, 245, 345, 445, 545. Those are the kind of clashes we'll have right on the 45. So it's a lyrical 45 shootout.
I can't believe Cartel died on his home ground.
Some call them comedy clashes, others just can't wait. What do you think? Can Merciless and Kiprich, Tony Matterhorn and the Twins pull it off on Boxing Day?
Yeah, man, we want to hold a backlash, man. Why even say go to Gaza too? That's straight, anything them say.
No, I'm not interested in the clashes because that's just not my thing.
Beanie Man Bounty thing kind of antiquated, outdated, you see me? We don't want to see it again, you see me? Right now, something fresh I look for, like Twins and Matterhorn.
Matterhorn have some little rude stuff in their mouth, so but I really want to see that clash there too.
No. I'm the world boss, you know. If I'm the world boss and that's thing, we don't go. I vibe start to the car, them first, him first makes things flop, you know. But a world boss.
And I really my artist them there. God knows, you see me? But I really want that Sting, just watch Vibes Cartel. You see me? I'm also Movado.
Merciless Kiprich. Boy, for them thing, I comedy thing still, you know. Why if you come with the thing, you can't take them in still, you see me?
Now, right now, I'm not going to sting up pay money for the bleachers straight. So right now, right here, the rest of them can put aside.
Twins have twin matter. I never know artists, man. Never know some graphic, man.
Also this week, more court appearances for Vybz Kartel. On Monday, the DJ had his bail application for a ganja charge rejected. On Wednesday, lots of cops and soldiers looking alert, but not there because of Kartel, but because of this man, Michael McLean, who's accused of the notorious St. Thomas triple murder. Kartel supporters, though, had words only for Kartel.
Kartel, I love you straight. I damn fear come for you to teach us speech.
I see Sting, my world boss I come out to mash it up. And I see anybody never go a Sting, them better go. Because the teacher got dead there.
Kartel, big up yourself, because you see this fan and the DVD when I'm having in my room, I year money by that. You remember Asylum the night there?
Kartel was bussed back to court Friday, but the other expected bail application never materialized. At issue, a certain document which, if it exists, hasn't, the defense claims, been shared by the police.
The document that everybody has been reading about in the newspaper, we heard that this document or a statement was given to the public defender from a particular witness in the case. It has not been forthcoming to this point. If the document is in existence, it needs to be served on the defense. Thus, it needs to be served on us so we can make a proper bail application for Mr. Palmer.
Also in court with Kartel Friday, his co-accused Nigel Thompson and Lengbert MacDonald. Kartel's common-law wife Shorty said little.
I'm not feeling so good, but at the end of the day, good things come to those who wait, and I'm have to get bail.
Cash for gold detainees were arriving shortly before Kartel dashed to the police van, which sped away with fans voicing support for the embattled DJ. Kartel is expected back in court on October 26.
Vybz Kartel doesn't have a lot to smile about nowadays, but back in 2010, the DJ was laughing off his one-time protege, Black Rhino's defection from Gaza. At the time, producer Not Nice and singer Da Vinci were still tight with Kartel. Their day of reckoning came later. This is the story of the unraveling of Gaza.
Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man, a Gaza, man.
Yo! Ready to get a bit, man.
Right now, man, that's right now.
I mean, I'm confused.
Straight right now, man.
And you say me left.
Life, man.
Are you dead?
Nervous days for Black Rhino in February of 2010.
Yeah, you know a Rhino.
The reason? His mother's home had been attacked shortly after the Singh quarreled with Vybz Kartel.
I think it's because he's split with Empire.
I'm look scared right now. Jamaica, I'm look scared.
Rhino was walking in the footsteps of Gaza Kim, who the month before claimed she'd been brutally beaten by crew members.
4 men beating a 19-year-old girl. That is very traumatizing. On the day when I was beaten, the force that they went with, I urinated on myself. It's the first on earth I ever been hit in that kind of manner.
Unlike Kim, Black Rhino did not give reasons for his split with Kartel.
So me leaving the Gaza must be a reason, though.
As for the Gaza boss, he didn't seem bothered by the troubles in the camp.
It's the same food. I mean, why? I'm not a worrying person, you know. You know what I mean? And people will believe what they want to believe, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel just has to talk and talk with the most sincerity and the most truthfulness, you know what I mean? Everything will come out into the open eventually, according to him.
Do Empire members have to obey your every word?
When it comes to music and when it comes to how the Empire is run as a unit, of course. Very much so, you know what I mean? Because as I said before, in an organization that you have rules and you have regulations, and you have to abide by the rules and regulations or face dire consequences, not physical beatings or bouts of torture as it is rumored in the streets.
Still with Kartel in February of 2010, his producer Not Nice and the singer Da Vinci.
Reshuffle the cabinet.
Ja, sing on something for Jamaica.
Da Vinci's next. No, next is a North American group, you know, and Da Vinci is a Jamaican singer. Da Vinci now go nowhere, you know, cause unlike the past 3 artists, 2 of whom are very, 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 very ungrateful. Da Vinci is going nowhere, you know what I mean? Da Vinci is quite comfortable in the Empire camp right now.
It wasn't long, however, before better days gave way to bitter recriminations, with both Da Vinci and Not Nice singing a different tune.
Well, there was scuffle still, you know. Get to me and say, and me defend myself. And because of defending myself, I realize less shows. You understand?
Scuffles with whom?
With members of the Gaza, friends. We're part of the Gaza.
Who said what to you and did what?
Well, it's just that one day I go around the studio and, you know, man I say, yeah, this the boss, yeah, this the boss. I'm say, this the boss. Oh, you get to me and say, well, people are walking and say, you know, in a Gaza no more and a gully say and whatever. And, you know, so from that, things just get ugly and I do my thing and them do them thing I'm a cut.
Producer Not Nice crafted many of the rhythms Cartel rode to chart glory over several years. He said they had a contract dividing up the proceeds from their collaborations 50-50, but alleges that out of the blue, Cartel sent men to strip his apartment of everything, including computer hard drives containing his music.
Them take my computer, them. 2 computer, 2 keyboard, some sound module, drum machine, headphone, all of my hard drive, go in my living room, take my flat screen, my DVD player, money, some USA in my drawer, them take my chain, jewelry put on the table, everything. As them say, teacher say, when them leave, at the bed alone for living in the room. Them take some Vibes Cartel poster up on the wall. Everything them take out of my room.
And you're claiming, you're alleging that Vibes Cartel sent these people to get these things?
Remember, all of the man when me see the day before, you know, because teacher further in the studio come Vibes, and them always followed him. So, and I like no stranger, them say the general send them. And I one person them refer to as the general.
Daddy for life. Why? Don't bad mind the boss. Why?
Carter, first Gaza Kim left, no Black Rhino. Why are people getting scared and jumping ship?
Well, Eartha, that's a good question, you know, but it's not scared, you know. People are just getting hype and they think that they reach the ultimate when in actuality, them not reaching now yet.
Gaza right now in deeper disarray. This week, police detained several crew members, Sinjay Sean Storm among them.
I don't know, dog. I did it, you see me?
You may say, man.
No, I'm not thinking about pressing charges.
But you can't kill me, you know.
So what?